Hi, welcome to Honey on the Whole
I had a little curveball thrown at me today. So the plan was, Drew, our son, is a huge seafood fan. So I went to the store. I was going to make him some mussels and a nice wine, garlicky broth with like a crostini on the side. Checked out the mussels, what they had in the case, looked like garbage. Asked him if he had some in the back. Of course, didn't have any in the back. First time I've ever had that problem at the store. They were all open and they just didn't look good. Mm-hmm. So that's the curveball. Now I'm standing there in the store. I got a baguette in my hand and nothing to do. You're feeling under the weather, right? I've never made this, so I grabbed the things I thought would be right to make this. Guess what I'm making? You should see the look on her face. She does not have a clue. Can't guess? I could guess by looking at it. I'm making beef stew. I know you make beef stew. You've made it before. Not for me. Never. But here's the plan. I'm going to cube up all this chuck roast, dredge it in flour, sear it in my big old pot back here. All of it. Oh, I'll salt and pepper it first, then I'll dredge it. Once it's seared, I'm going to deglaze everything with some red wine, and then I'm going to hit it with some beef broth, and I'm going to let that braise for as long as it takes until that meat is almost finished and ready for our cubed potatoes, some celery, and some carrots. In my broth, I'm going to also tie up some bay leaves and some rosemary and cheesecloth. Just drop those in there for a little bit of aromatics and pungent flavor. And just let that sit. That way I can just fish that baby out of there when it's done. Put some of these rolls in the oven. You'll be happy. You'll get a nice hearty bowl of soupy whatever. I don't know if I want to call it stew or like a beef barley. I don't know. We'll just see how it turns out. I might add some bouillon to it. But I mean, that's like the extent of it. So easy, pain in the ass in the beginning, easy at the end. Plug. Tomorrow. I just wanted to hit this. Check us out tomorrow. I'm making pulled pork sandwiches. I grabbed a couple of pork shoulders. I'm going to dry brine these babies tonight and leave them open in the fridge, ready to go on the smoker first thing in the AM. And I'm probably, if I'm feeling froggy, which I think I am, I'm going to make my homemade rolls, my dinner rolls. You know, those big bad boys?
Yeah.
I think they'll go good with this, and it's a good thing to learn, especially with the holidays coming up. So that's the plan tomorrow, but let's get this going right now. Let's get you fed.
Okay.
It's done. This one's been complaining for the last 2 hours that he's hungry. Shall we? Okay. This is gonna be so hot. It's gonna burn my face. And I got the world's biggest bite. I can't do that.
Bruce got his down. What do you think?
Very good. It's delicious.
Oh my.
Tender?
Oh, I can't wait till you try this. You're gonna fall asleep in my arms. Should we try this?
And I did mine.
I'm gonna get some of the meat. I really didn't get any in the first bite. Yup. Shake and bake.